Hi guys, it's Carlos Avalos here, your local Santa Clarita Valley and San Fernando Valley real estate agent. About 2 weeks ago, I provided you guys with an update on the changes that were done by NAR, National Association of Realtor. And those changes took in effect as of August 17, 2024. And the changes were to the contracts regarding representation to buyer and seller. Some of those changes also require the sign-in sheet when you attend an open house. That's why I want to do this video to bring attention to the right form that needs to be signed when you attend an open house. There's been situations where the consumer attends an open house and is given the wrong form to sign without their knowledge. The right form when you attend an open house is called Open House Visitor Non-Agency and Sign-In Sheet. And basically, that form is exactly what the title says. You're there as a visitor, and there's no agency between you and that realtor hosting an open house. The form that is incorrect that you should not be signing is called Buyer Representation and Broker Compensation Agreement. You should not be signing that when you're just attending an open house and your intentions are just to visit that open house. This form that I just mentioned is basically saying that you're hiring that realtor to be your real estate agent and represent you in any future home purchase that you do. Unless you sign in with the proper form and you like the house, but you have no realtor represent you, and you would like to have that real estate agent there hosting the open house to write up an offer and represent you, then you proceed to sign the buyer representation and broker compensation agreement. Otherwise, the only form you should be signing when you attend an open house is strictly the open house visitor non-agency and sign-in sheet. That's it. There's no other form required. If you're confused about these changes that took place as of August 17, 2024, feel free to give me a call or Rose, and we will gladly explain and answer any questions you may have. My telephone number is 818-399-4093, or you can always call or text Rose 818-590-2077. Hope this helps and brings clarity to the changes. If not, you can always send us a private message here on social media. Take care, be well, and we look forward to being of service to you in the near future with all your real estate needs here in Santa Clarita Valley and San Fernando Valley. Take care. Bye bye.